Ever felt like your project is a house of cards, ready to collapse with a single misstep? You're not alone. Navigating the complex landscape of project management requires a well-crafted plan, your North Star guiding you through the ups and downs. In the world of construction, a detailed project management plan is your blueprint for success, outlining scope, timeline, budget, and resources. Imagine a construction site where every team member knows their role, milestones are met, and risks are managed. That's the power of a solid plan. Switching gears to software development, a structured project plan ensures high-quality products delivered on time and within budget. Agile project management breaks down tasks into manageable chunks, visualized through Gantt charts, keeping the team aligned and focused. Identifying potential risks and developing mitigation strategies are crucial steps in any software development project plan. Marketing campaigns thrive on thorough project plans that outline objectives, target audiences, and strategies, ensuring goals are met. Effective schedule management and cost control are vital to maximizing ROI and maintaining quality standards in marketing projects. Event planning demands a meticulous project management plan, considering every detail from venue selection to risk management. A well-structured event plan ensures smooth execution, even when faced with potential risks like inclement weather or last-minute cancellations. Planning an IT infrastructure upgrade. A solid plan minimizes downtime and ensures smooth integration of new systems. Breaking the project into phases, allocating a budget, and identifying potential roadblocks are key to a successful IT upgrade. Project management isn't just for big industries, it's everywhere, from planning weddings to renovating homes. In everyday life, project management skills help you prioritize tasks, optimize routines, and make the most of your time. Time blocking and habit tracking are effective techniques to stay organized and achieve personal goals. Meal planning simplifies daily routines, saving time and reducing stress. Creating a thorough project management plan involves defining scope, allocating resources, and establishing timelines. Utilizing management tools and conducting risk assessments are essential steps in any project plan. Quality control and communication plans ensure that project objectives are met and stakeholders are informed. Effective project management plans are the roadmap to success, guiding you to achieve your goals and deliver successful results.